Hello. In this video, we invite you to take a tour of your Joomeo space and discover the main elements of your interface as a manager. Please note that your guests will have a very similar interface, with some variations as they don't have access to all the functions you do. Let's get back to your Joomeo space. What does it consist of? From left to right, you will find here the menu to access the root of your Joomeo space, your contacts and contact groups list, the Joomeo spaces that have shared albums with you, all the comments made by your contacts on your images, and finally, your public space if you have activated it. Just above this menu, there is another menu that gives you access to a number of information and statistics about your Joomeo account. It's always useful to take a look at it from time to time. Here is the structure of your Joomeo space. You can expand folders and subfolders to access your albums. When you click on an item, a context menu appears with various possible actions and, most importantly, the content of this item is displayed in the central part of your screen. Let's now explore the grid of folders, albums, and images. This area of the interface is probably where you will do most of your actions. Indeed, this is where the contents of your folders and albums are displayed. A simple click allows you to enter either. To make browsing your space easier, you can activate the sorting of items according to your needs. This button exists for folders, albums, and images. At the top right of your screen, you can see that there are several icons and a menu. These action buttons vary depending on where you are in your Joomeo space. Note that you will find these three little vertical dots in several places in your interface. This is a context menu that gives you access to different actions on the relevant object, whether it is a folder, an album, or an image. Did you notice? When you enter an album, another button appears right next to the sort button. The filter. Its role is to allow you to display one or more types of files and hide the others. Let's keep moving forward and delve a bit deeper into exploring your Joomeo space. By clicking on an image, you open it in full size. If you scroll down the page, you will discover a lot of information about the image, such as any keywords or comments. If you wish, you can add, modify them, create a caption, etc. Look here. This is what we call a breadcrumb trail. It has two functions: to instantly show you where you are in your Joomeo space, and to go back several levels with a single click. At the very top of your Joomeo space is the search engine. It will help you find any file, album, or contact based on the criteria of your choice. Here we go. One last little tip. You may have noticed this new label on one of the folders in our media library. What does it mean? It simply indicates that there is at least one image in this folder that you have not yet viewed during your last visits. There you have it. The tour is over. There are still many things to discover, but we invite you to do so yourself. Get started, and if you need help, contact our team. An advisor will personally respond to you. Let's go and enjoy your exploration.